She's all the rage on Netflix. Her name is Marie Kondo, and she's one of the most famous organizers in the world. When she started teaching her technique of decluttering and organizing here in the United States, the woman we're about to meet knew she had to take the course and become a certified Kon Mari Consultant.
Take a look.
Have you picked up the recent copy of People magazine? Well, I want you to turn to page 67. There's an article there about Marie Kondo. She is bringing joy to people's lives by helping them declutter and get organized. And we recently met one of her disciples that's living right here in Connecticut.
Yes, I'd like you to meet Christine Thorn. She's a certified Kon Mari Consultant.
Is it a method? Is it a...
It is. It is a method of organizing and decluttering your home.
How did you start doing this?
I received this book probably about 4 or 5 years ago from a relative who said you would be really good at this.
While Marie wasn't teaching her method here in the States at that time, she eventually started, and Christine knew it was something she had to learn.
And so I inquired about the seminar and found out all the steps that I had to do to become a certified consultant. And so I thought I would just register, and then found out that I had to completely Kon Mari my own home, send in photographs, and read these 2 books, and then fill out my application. I got accepted for the seminar and went into New York City for 3 days. And the seminar was taught in Japanese with a translator. Mm-hmm. And it was fascinating because there were people from around the world that attended this seminar. And I think there were probably, gosh, I don't even know, maybe 150 of us at this seminar.
After several more steps in the process, Christine became a certified Kon Mari Consultant in April of last year.
I help you create a lifestyle that supports who you are now and who you hope to be moving forward with less clutter.
Want your house to look and feel like Christine's? She can help. There are 6 Kon Mari principles.
Commit to tidying fully. And Marie refers to this as the Tidy Festival. I refer to it as a Tidy Series. To envision your ideal lifestyle and keep that vision as you're working through. Discard before you decide to store and organize the things that you choose to keep. And what you want to do is actually tidy by category, not room or location, which is very important. Then you would want to tidy in the correct order. So the order is clothing, books, papers, kimono, which are all things miscellaneous in our house. It's a very large category. And lastly are sentimental items. And the last and most important principle is to always ask yourself throughout this Tidy series, does this spark joy?
Does it spark joy?
Does this spark joy?
Take a look at Christine's kitchen. It's immaculate.
So, obviously, wine glasses and glasses.
Now, when you did your kitchen, did
Yes.
you get rid of a lot of things?
I got rid of a lot of things that didn't really match and were just, miscellaneous pieces.
Okay.
We might not use all of these all the time, but if you do have a party, you need to have wine glasses.
Absolutely.
Next, we move into the master bedroom.
Okay, this is your husband's drawer?
Yes.
And it stays this way?
And it stays this way.
Now, he's into it as well?
Yes.
So you got him trained?
I have him trained.
See, isn't that nice? You can see every t-shirt.
See, it's very important so that you can see. You'll know exactly which one you want to,
Exactly.
you want to pick out.
All right.
Want to know how to fold the perfect t-shirt? Here you go.
So here we have a t-shirt, and we're going to have it face up. And you're going to fold in towards the center, folding the sleeve back, bringing the other side in, leaving just a little bit of a gap. And you always want to remember to fold from the bottom to the top, leaving approximately a couple of inches, and then you're going to fold it in thirds.
Then you stack them side by side, just like this. So neat.
Come on in, Scott.
I'm used to coming out of closets, not walking into them. This is remarkable. Wow. All right, now this is a closet. Tell me a little bit about how you did this.
Well, as you can see, since pants are worn on the bottom, they're always on the bottom. And tops, since we wear them on top, are always on top. And you can see actually, well, especially with, you know, these shirts, you know, things are put in a very particular order, color-wise.
Everything is color coordinated as well.
And we just, you know, like the look of having all the same hangers, which, you know, kind of makes a nice streamlined look in the closet.
Yeah, it's really...
Because I've always been a very organized person, but honestly, before I started doing this, I thought, oh, I get rid of stuff, I clean out all the time. But when I had to Kon Mari our house for, you know, for the seminar, I couldn't believe how really asking that one question, does this spark joy? Because most of the time I would go through and I'd be like, well...
But what if I need it? What if I need...
what if I lose weight?
What if I lose weight?
Right, like, I need that. What if I have a funeral? You know, like, but I don't like it. So once I started going through, I was like, no joy, no joy. It was great. It was very freeing. It was really, really freeing.
Oh, you too can feel the way Christine does. She is ready to help you, and I think the fees for her service are very, very reasonable.
It's a life-changing thing, you said, as you just hold the item. Does this spark joy?
I got a whole car full of it doesn't spark joy.
You can get in touch with Christine on her website, sageofinteriorsllc.com.
And you can learn more about the Kon Mari online at konmari.com.